there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw socks from Bluey. So first let's get started by drawing in our right eye. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval in the center of the page. And then moving in towards the center of our eye, we're going to draw in an even smaller oval in the middle for the pupil. Let's draw in the nose now. So to the left of this, we're going to curve a line that arches around and then down. And then from this point on the side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. Now above that in the corner, we're going to curve this line from top to bottom. Coming underneath our right eye now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes underneath. Let's draw in the left eye now. So stepping over on the inside of this line, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the side, creating a nice big arch line. And then to the right of this, we're going to draw in another big arch line for the pupil of the eye. In the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then from that corner, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, arching this line around and then up. And now in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Let's move up and draw in the eyebrows now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving across on the left hand side, we'll replicate that, arching that down. On the top of this now, we're going to curve this line around and then in to close that off. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left hand side, arching this line around and then back in on the side. Let's frame in the top of the head now. So from each eyebrow, we're just going to draw in a curved line that arches across. On the left hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right hand side, curving this line around and then down, just ending that shorter. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then moving underneath, we're going to again arch this line out and then back in. Now from here, moving under, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the side. And then to the left of this, starting on this line, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. Now let's draw in our ear. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up, curving this across slightly. And then from this line, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down towards the side and then in. Let's move over on the left hand side now, leaving a small gap. We're going to bring this line up, arching that across, ending that so it's at the same height as our right ear. And then starting back on this line, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that curves around and then down at the side. On the inside now, following this pattern, we're going to bring this line up and then down on a diagonal. And then moving over on the left hand side, again, we'll bring this up and then across on a diagonal again. On the inside for the pattern of the face, on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line down again towards the top of our eye. And then underneath our eye on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line across towards the side of the head. Now from here, let's draw in the leg. So for our left leg, on the corner here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On the side, we're going to arch our line around and then down for the bottom of the foot. Lining this up at the same height, coming across, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top in the middle. And then we're going to connect this together on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now let's leave a gap coming over to the right hand side, drawing in another straight line that comes down, ending this so it's roughly at the same height. Again, we're going to step further out, curving this line down. Coming back up to this line, stepping across, we're going to draw in another line that comes straight down towards the bottom. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right for the foot. In the center now, we're going to draw in a small arch line, closing that off. And now let's draw in our back leg. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Coming down, we're going to draw in a line that curves down and then in behind. And now let's close off the body. So coming further up, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down. And then as we get to the bottom, we're going to curve this in towards the side. Now from here, let's draw in the feet. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. We'll step over to the right leg, replicating that. And then our back leg, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. Now stepping in the middle, we're going to draw in another straight line across. We'll do the same thing, moving over on the right. And then again, as we move towards our back leg, just curving that down. We're going to draw in another straight line across one more time on each foot as we come all the way over on the right hand side. Now moving in underneath to close off the bottom foot, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Now for the toes, we're just going to arch two curved lines that arch in towards the center. Back in the middle, we're going to curve these lines over and out towards the right. And then again, one more time as we move over on the side. Lastly, let's draw in our tail now. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving up above from the corner, we're going to curve this line back around and then down. From that point, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then again from the corner, we're just going to curve this line up, down, and then in towards the back. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then stepping further in, let's replicate that shape again one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw socks from Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.